Good evening. This is Southern Tennessee Mom today. Um, I'm coming to you from Tennessee. A big shout out. I just wanted to show you this. I think it's going to turn out really well. It's a project for my desk. Just kind of dress it up and make it functional as well. So I've got several items here from the Dollar Tree. I've got this one in here. It says Monday should be optional. I thought that was cute, but you're really not going to be able to see this. I'm just going to use this as a base, but I thought it was cute. So I'm going to just remove the plastic. Picture frames, but it's 10 here. But it's called from Crafter Square wood frame with 10 board, as you can see. And it's so you can put like Post-it notes or whatever you want on it, but we're going to use it for something else today. I got 4 of these. I'm going to remove them from the package. I also have several different varieties of flowers, so I have those. And then I've got these. They're magnetic, containers. You just take the lid off, but the back side is magnetic. So I've got 2 of those. Then I have 2 of these storage containers. They're 10. So I have 2 of these, but they're not magnetic. So I've got 2 round magnets that I'm going to glue on the back side of these, and it will make them magnetic. I have this magnetic mirror, and it's by Jolt, and I got this over in the school supply section, but it's already magnetic. It's already got the magnets on the back, so I'm going to use one of those. I also got one of these dry erase boards. Also got one of these little blackboards by Crafter Square. Now I'm not going to need this little wooden stand on the back, so I'm going to actually remove that. And it pulled right off. So we'll save that in case we want to stand for something. That would be nice. So we'll save that for another project. And of course you're going to need a glue gun and some glue sticks. Okay, so let's get the building here. And also a piece of foam. I left it over there. I'll get it in a minute. But I want my tin to be outward. So I'm going to place it here. Actually, I'm going to put it on top of the frame. So I'm going to place it here. Add some glue. Okay, so we're going to add some glue down the side of the picture frame here. And then some to the edge of the base. Make sure your tin is on the outside. Okay, I got a piece of the square foam from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add some glue. A generous amount. Spread them apart like this. I'm going to put these in the center. And then I'm going to take these also and spread them apart. And put them in the center. See that? I'm going to take my, let me lower the camera. I'm going to take my chalkboard here. I'm going to actually glue it here on this side. And that way I can still use the magnet for this if I want a magnet there or something. But also, I've got chalkboard here too if I need to write something with chalk. And the same thing with this side here. I think I'll do the back on this one. I'm going to take my dry erase board here. I don't really need the hanger, but I'm going to leave it. I think it's cute. We'll go on this side this time. Actually, it's going to take the whole bottom half of it. That's okay. So I'll just glue that to that. So we have dry erase if we need it. And then on this side here, this side, I got my magnetic mirror if I need to see how I'm looking or if I need to check something. I got a mirror there. So on this side here, I've got my 2 round containers, and then I have my 2 tin containers. Actually, you don't have to glue those magnets on there if you don't want to, because it's already on there. It's not coming off. So, you know, the magnets with hooks, you can put a hook there, and if you want to hang something there, you could. This hook here, I'm going to glue a magnet to the back of it. Morning. I went to the store this morning. I had to get a couple things. So I got some chalk. As you can see, I just tied a piece of the jute string on top of that and got the rest of my chalk hanging there. And then I've got another piece of the string here that I've tied to the piece of chalk. There's my mirror. And here, I've got 2 different dry erase markers. And then I've got tacks in this one, paper clips in this one. In these 2 here, I've got those extra little hooks. And then I've got just some tabs here if I need them. Okay, I added another piece of the jute string here to a pin and put another clip right here. And then on a few pieces of paper, little notepad, punched a hole in the top and tied a string around it and just put it there, right there on this hook, just in case I need to make a quick note. But my desk organizer is finished. Let me show you what it looks like on my desk. There it is. That is on my desk. And also, I wanted to show you this. This is wallpaper from Dollar Tree. And it comes in these, I guess it's a 12 by 12 sheet. And just peel the backing off and stick it down. It is really neat. I'm very impressed with it. But there is my desk organizer. Look at this. I didn't like how the flowers are all bunched up together, so I took them out and I cut them off individually and then placed them. But I had to get another foam block to put on top of it. So there's 2 foam blocks. And then I added this turntable. I bought this turntable. I didn't glue it down. But I bought this turntable at a yard sale and just added a piece of liner to it. So, but it's been in the cupboard and I haven't used it. For this, so that way I can turn it as I need it, but I'm not going to glue it. I want it kind of off-centered a little bit. So I have this sponge that I'm gonna put on here, and let me show you. All right, this is dry erase, so it will erase your dry erase. Okay. And then on the chalk, the other side, the scrubby part, will erase it, and then just come back with the foam part and just clean it up. And then we're just gonna put that right here. I'm just gonna set it here. I'll center it a little bit. I'll set it there, and then that way it'll stay, and I'll use it as needed. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like the video. Share it with your friends. Until next time, have a good day. God bless you.